Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're continuing our discussion of determiners and quantifiers, and today we're going to be talking about all, every, and whole. All right, so here are some pictures. You might think about how you would use all, every, and whole in these pictures to describe what's happening. So all the boys are diving into the water. All the women are wearing red. Um, he rides his bike every day. Every train is on time. And the person has eaten the whole container of yogurt, perhaps. All right, so we're going to look at the differences between all, everyone, everybody, and everything. So the party was a great success and everyone had a wonderful time. Everyone at the meeting was bored, and as a child he enjoyed doing everything: swimming, cycling, running, and playing sports. Usually we don't use all in the same way that we use everyone and everybody. Um, the party was a great success and all had a wonderful time. It's not technically incorrect, but it would sound odd to a native speaker. But you can use all of us, all of you, and all of them. So the party was a great success, and all of us had a wonderful time. So as you saw before, all does not equal everyone and everybody. However, sometimes all is the same as everything. Please be patient. I'm doing everything that I can. Please be patient. I'm doing all that I can. We often use all in these expressions. We bought all we need for the party. I have studied all I can for the exam. We generally don't use all alone or by itself. Everything went wrong, but you generally would not say all went wrong. You can also use all to mean the only thing. I don't know what happened. All I did was switch on the coffee machine and there was a terrible noise. Alright, so now you can pause the video and try these exercises on your own. You're going to fill in the gaps with either everything, everybody, or everyone. There really isn't any difference between everybody and everyone. Everyone is a little more formal. Everybody is a bit more informal. So pause the video, try those on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. I invited 12 friends to dinner, and everyone came. Everybody needs to write their name on this list. I'm not sure whose jacket this is. You need to ask all of them. It was a terrible day. Everything went wrong. I'm not really sure. All I remember is that there was a man in a white shirt, but I can't remember anything else. Sammy and I have very different ideas and opinions. We disagree on everything. Okay, all of us need to be at the meeting point at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. All right, this time you're going to use either all or everything. Again, pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. There's nothing to do. The cooking, the cleaning, I did everything. You don't need to bring anything. I prepared everything we need for the picnic. I don't know why I'm so tired. All I did today was watch films. I don't like spending time with Dion because she thinks that she knows everything. I can't do anymore. I've done everything I can to help you. And we have bought everything we need to go camping this weekend. All right, so every, everybody, and everything. We use a singular verb with these words. So every seat on the train was full. So a singular plural noun is used after every, a plural noun comes after all. So you could not say every seats on the plane were full. All the seats on the train were full. Everyone was late to the meeting, and everything has been a great success. And remember that we use they, them, themselves, and everybody in spoken English. Everybody said they had a good time. Everyone looked at themselves before going onto the stage. All right, now you'll need to choose which is correct. Again, pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So your test was a disaster. Every answer was incorrect. You don't need to bring food or drink. I have organized everything. I called the restaurant, but the manager said that every table is booked for Saturday evening. Can you please ask everyone to go to the meeting room? What a mess. Every toy is on the bedroom floor. Just put the shopping here. I will unpack everything soon. Okay, now we're going to talk about whole and all. Whole means complete, and note that we use the plus whole plus noun and all plus the noun. So the whole cake is the same as saying all the cake. I read the whole story, but you would not say she drank the whole orange juice. So we generally don't use whole with uncountable nouns. Instead, we would say she drank all the orange juice. I'm not paying for the whole bill. I'm not paying for all of the bill. So if you can split something up into smaller pieces, you can use either all or whole. And a bill is made up of different items, so it can be split. All right, so now you're going to make some sentences with using whole. Read the sentences and answer the question using whole. The noun will help you. And here's an example. Jared opened a packet of candy. An hour later, there were no candies left. What did Jared do? The answer, he ate the whole packet. All right, so go ahead and pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right. Kayla couldn't find her key, so she searched her room, every room of the house. What did Kayla do? So you would say Kayla searched the whole house. Dad, Mom, my sister, and I all play golf. What does my family do? So you could say my whole family plays golf. Last week it rained every day from Monday to Saturday. What did it do? It rained the whole week. Alan did nothing from when he woke up until he went to bed that evening. What did he do? So Alan did nothing the whole day. All right, this time you're going to make some sentences with all. So read and answer the questions using all, and remember the second sentence structure is all plus the, either the, my, or this plus the noun. So here's an example. My sisters, Katie, Alexa, and Elena, play the piano well. What do they do? All my sisters play the piano well. So pause the video, write your answers, and then restart when you're ready to check. Everyone in the room was wearing white. What are they doing? So you could say all of the people in the room, or actually we don't, you're not using of this time. So all the people in the room are wearing white. He read the whole story in 2 hours. What did he do? He read all the story in 2 hours. When Joel boarded the train, every seat was full. What was the problem? All the seats were taken when Joel boarded the train. When Terry arrived at the party, there was no cake left. What happened? The guests had eaten all the cake before Terry arrived. All right, this time you're going to complete the text using the words or phrases from the boxes. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. Okay, yesterday, all of us met at the park at 10 a.m. It was a great day to have a picnic. Everyone brought something to eat. I brought a salad, Lisa brought some meat for the barbecue, and Leo brought a whole fruit tart. The others brought things too, and we placed everything on the picnic tables. Peter, Eddie, and Sam arrived late. All of them looked tired. I think they'd been out the night before. Right, here are some more exercises. You'll be filling in the gaps with the words and phrases from the boxes. Again, you can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Sometimes I don't know why I do this job. My whole week is nothing but traveling to and from the office. I really like these dresses. I want to buy all of them. All these books need to be packed into boxes today. Every house in this neighborhood is beautiful. Seriously, all of you should do some work and stop wasting time. As always, Monica complained the whole time. I'm not going on vacation again with her. So we use all, whole, and every differently when they are followed by time words. All and whole mean the complete or total period from beginning to end. They refer to how long. He spent the whole day studying. She was in Aruba on vacation all week. We haven't seen them all month. But we do not use the all plus the plus time words, so you would not say we haven't seen them all the month. Every is used to express how often something happens. For example, we have a French class every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Every year, our family takes a short vacation in August. He likes to exercise every morning. So we're going to compare every with all and whole. We are taking a vacation all August. She has exams the whole week. All right, and finally, here are a few more practice exercises. Again, use the words and phrases in the boxes to fill in the gaps. Pause the video while you try it on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, the trains run frequently. A train comes 3 times every hour or every 20 minutes. I have been unwell since it became cold. I have been sick all winter. I'm not surprised that you failed your end of year exams. You didn't work all year. Please listen to me. I'm tired of asking you to clean your room every 10 minutes. We plan to spend all month in the south of Spain, well, about 28 days or so. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.